The Waterfall, a visualization by the alleyway. Warm greetings to you from the alleyway. I would like to share with you another visualization which I was inspired to create recently. It is a relaxing, purifying and cleansing exercise which we can do together now if you like, or at a future time when you feel you need to unwind. We can begin by finding a quiet position, away from any noise or activity if possible, sitting or lying down safely and comfortably. Let's begin by thinking about our breathing, accepting and appreciating any thoughts or messages that come into your mind now and letting them go, allowing you to relax and unwind and to just be in the moment. The past and the future need not concern you now as you relax even further. Now inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. And feel calm now and at peace. Now imagine you are at the bottom of a beautiful waterfall in a tranquil location, away from all the hustle and bustle of life. Attune yourself now to the calming pace of nature as you float in the water below her flow. You feel the liquid cooling your body on this warm, sunny day. You become so relaxed as you listen to her rhythmic sound, her simple vibration, her cooling nature. Your mind unwinds now, and you feel the water relieving all the tension and stress in your body. It seems to be washing all your troubles away, cleansing and purifying your mind and being. The cheerful flow of the waterfall makes you laugh and feel so free and childlike, enjoying the pleasure of her powerful energy. The sparkling white water cascades down from her crest and arrives with you in her pool of pleasure below her fearless flow. It really makes you feel alive. She represents the continuous flow of energy and life. She also reminds you that life is constantly changing around you, and that this is a positive thing, a daily renewal of our life here on earth. She is bestowing you with her gifts of clarity, wisdom, and hope. Her ethereal music is pure pleasure to your ears, her melodic harmony healing your mind and spirit, massaging your body, releasing and detoxing you as she does so. Her vertical flow mesmerizes you with her magical monotonous tune. Her fresh water flushes any toxins away into the flowing river below her. You allow her symphony of sounds to fill your mind, and to sink into your soul. Her uncontrolled freedom overpowers you now, taking over your mind and body so you can let go of control and allow her to embrace and protect you for a while. Nothing can hurt you now. You feel only pleasure and relief as the waterfall purposefully parades around you, creating a protective shield, a bubble of energy. She is like pink champagne, flowing freely and delighting you with her bubbles and mist. She ignites within you a passion for pleasure, a renewed enthusiasm for life. Her youth dew seems to turn back time and reminds you of cheerful childhood memories. Her multicolored rainbow-hued mist fills the air around you, diffusing any disharmony. The waterfall is majestic, celestial, and her crystal clear liquid flows uninterruptedly into your very being. She awakens and surprises your soul with her dynamic dew. She symbolizes freedom, a release from routine and captivity. This picturesque paradise stimulates your senses, boosting your energy, inspiring you to be creative, allowing ideas to flow freely. Her divine healing energy allows you to release any past hurts, any addictions, any unforgiveness. She helps you let go of anything that holds you back from living your dreams. Feel her mist evaporate into the atmosphere around you, taking with it all your troubles and concerns. Her fast flow fascinates you now, and you feel revived and rejuvenated, free and full of fun, excited and enthusiastic about life. And as you fill yourself with this new energy, the exquisite elixir of life, you feel so serene, so powerful, so energetic, full of the feel-good factor. You are now ready to embrace life and love. Take a moment now to allow yourself to absorb all you have discovered, experienced, and felt here in the tranquil, turquoise plunge pool at the bottom of the cascading, courageous, cooling, magnificent, mysterious waterfall. It is time now for you to depart from the wonderful waterfall and swim away from her, feeling graceful and majestic, pure and clean. And as you swim away, you look back and fully appreciate the waterfall's beauty from afar, and send your loving and grateful thoughts towards her. And listen once more to her wisdom, and for any meaningful messages she has for you. And before you leave her powerful presence and return to the present moment, your safe surroundings, where you began your journey today, feel the gentle beat of your heart again, and slowly open your eyes. Gently wriggle your toes and your fingers, and carefully come back to the here and now, remembering that you can always return to the waterfall whenever you need to cleanse, detox, and purify your mind and body. Her promise to you is that she will always be there for you. All you have to do is go within. And I will leave you now with love and light, and a little quote that came to my mind from Oscar Wilde. It seems to me that we look at nature too much and live with her too little.